What's up guys, I'm Joshua, and in the previous video I created a game in 1 hour. Now if you guys did not watch that video, I recommend you check it out, because today we are going to be turning that same game into a mobile game. So the first thing I wanted to do was change the way of how I spawn objects. Right now I'm actually just instantiating and destroying them, but what I want to do is implement object pooling to increase performance. By the way guys, if you want to learn more about object pooling, you should totally check out the video Brackies did on it. So essentially what I did was put a bunch of moving color objects in the scene, and then I wrote a program that will check to see if any objects are inactive, and if so, it will add it to a list of objects that are inactive and could be used. And when it is about to be used, it sets that color object to the spawner's position, then makes it active, and then that color object will begin to go towards the player. And this was the result. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, so before we continue, I feel as if there's something lacking. I know. Juice. And by juice, I mean game juice. Still a part of the milk area. So I wanted to make it so that when you click on the color base to switch its color, it actually does a fun, cute animation like like this. Do you feel the juice? Okay, so now what we need to do is actually finish up the game loop and add some menus. So we need main menu, we need pause menu, we need option menu, and we need your menu. Okay, so let's add music. Now we sweep up the game like a broomstick. So I asked me brother, whip up a music tune. So he went like vroom vroom vroom, and by the time I knew it, he was done so soon. Nah, but seriously guys, take in this music. Take it in. Just take it in. Okay, so after I finished adding the music, I began adding some sound effects using SFX-R, and here's the full thing with the music and the sound effects. It's pretty epic, if I do say so myself. Okay, so just before I finish making this game for mobile, I actually need to find a way to make bread. And what's a better way to make bread off a crappy game than in-app advertising? So I hooked up Adma with Unity, and I got Ad Unity. Okay, so I read some of AdMob documentation, and bada bing bada boom, I was done setting it up in Unity. It took me less than 30 minutes, was actually pretty easy. And now it's time to actually get this app on the Play Store. Okay, so it's building. Just a little bit longer. Seriously? So fast forward a little bit, and the game is now out on Google Play Store. Of course, I didn't put it on Apple because I don't have the money to put it on Apple, but you guys can go and check it out. It's out on Play Store. And if you guys enjoyed this video, like it. If you really liked it, you could subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.